Okay, distinguished, during recess, your committee had interface with management of the NNPC, and then at that time you gave them 3 weeks. So 3 weeks had passed. You don't know what happened, whether they have met you or met the committee or written to you. You want to know what has transpired because 3 weeks has passed.
Well, let me correct you. The ultimatum given to NNPC wasn't during the recess. It was before the recess. And while at the recess, they wrote us to say that we should please extend the period because they were putting the data or the information or responding to the various questions together, which of course we did. And they have responded. We have all the answers to the 19 questions we asked, but it is yet to be tabled before the committee, and that's why the committee, via me as the chairman, is still not saying anything until it is put before members of the committee. But permit me to say, like I promised, or the committee promised earlier, we shall definitely do justice to that matter. And beyond even the audited financial statement, there are other issues coming up around NNPC. First one is the production sharing contract. What is the production cost to Nigeria? That must have to be defined, be gotten, and the public will be made to know what it is. What goes to NNPC? What goes to the IOCs, that is international oil companies, and what goes to the government under the production cost, that is production sharing, contract. That must be known. And lately, the committee has been made to understand that what do you call it? NNPC retail has declared loss. That is also of concern to the committee and the public as well, because we cannot understand why NNPC retail should declare loss. But whatever it is, this is our, our perception and understanding of the situation. When NNPC is called on this, we shall also hear what they have. But as far as the audited financial statement of NNPC that the world knows this committee is investigating between 2017 to 2023, the NNPC has responded to the 19 questions we sent. And the press or the Nigerians or the public will know what the response, the answers are, and out of the answers, what those that make sense and those that do not make sense shall be known to the public.
Because based on the fact that you are answering this and smiling, can we now say that the questions, the answers were satisfactory?
I'm always a happy person, so my smile doesn't mean anything. I always smile.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, if you don't know me, try to know me. My smile could even be depict negative position.
Yes, but the committee got some satisfaction from.
You are not going to know that until the answers are placed before the committee. Whether or not the committee, it's not for the committee to be satisfied. It's for Nigerians to be satisfied.
No, you are representative of the Nigerians.
That's what I'm telling you. So, as representatives of Nigerians, once we look at the answers, they will be made public. The exercise is public hearing.
Okay.
So, when is the committee meeting?
When the committee decides the meeting, you will know. It will appear on the other paper.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.